you. Desde Bogotá. ¿Qué tal? Portuguese? No, no follow Portuguese. Oh, you're not thirsty. You are hungry. In that case, my advice would be different. You should eat. What are you gonna have? Hey Carlos, thank you. Roy, thank you for following. Who else is following? ¿Quién va a seguirme? Bienvenidos. I am from the United States, New York specifically. Hey Eduardo. Thank you. Hi, Edward. Aw, thank you. Thanks, John. Hey, Wilmer. Go where? Aw, thank you. Hi guys, how are you? Thank you. Hola Adam. Okay Tay, thank you for following. I am not Australian, I am American. I am American. Thank you. You should follow me. And if you'd like to see more of me, you should check out my bio. Thanks, Michael. Appreciate you. I have a green one too, just like this. Hey. Oh, really? Hey, William. Okay, I'll wear the green one next time. And you better be following me so you can find me again. Sígame, sígame, sígame. Welcome, how are you? Happy Wednesday. W is for Wednesday. Thank you. Sí, yo hablo español. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much. Welcome everyone. Hey Cozy. Bienvenidos. ¿Qué tal? Fui a Cartagena hace unas semanas. Thank you. Me gustas tú. Hi guys, how are you? Tom Brady unlocked their level ship. What does that mean? Congrats. Sometimes there's stuff on here that I have no idea what they're talking about, but thank you. Hola, Miguel. ¿Qué tal? So today's Wednesday. I was thinking of maybe going out to dinner sometime this week, but probably not today. You think so, Luke? Ba-da-ba-ba. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thanks for the roses. How are you guys? Bienvenidos a Perú. Me gusta Perú. Thank you. Gracias, Oscar. Ecuador, very nice. Ecuador, Ecuador, Ecuador. ¿Quién más? ¿De dónde son ustedes?